Principles of Project Learning, Episode 2. Give learners freedom to choose how they use project time. This video is part of a series on the principles of project learning. This episode is about the importance of giving learners freedom to choose how they use project time. Many of the assignments we set for learners take the form of short tasks, like completing a set of questions or writing an essay. Typically, we expect learners to work synchronously. That is, we expect them all to work on the same task at the same time. Project learning, however, works differently. Projects typically take several lessons. Extended projects can take place over a period of weeks or even months. Once project work is underway, learners will not all be doing the same thing at the same time, nor will they all progress at the same pace. Project work is asynchronous. Teachers who are used to controlling the pace of work so that every learner marches in step may be concerned about this aspect of project learning. Yet the freedom for project learners to work at their own pace is one of the valuable features of project learning. The benefits of allowing project learners to work at their own pace. Why is it valuable for learners to be given an opportunity to learn at their own pace? Firstly, this makes learning less worrying for those who can struggle to keep up with others. Secondly, during project learning, the learner has freedom to catch up in their own time if a lesson is missed, or if the technology they are using makes it impossible to access a class at a designated time. Thirdly, by trusting learners to work at their own pace over a period of time, we create the conditions for them to start to take more responsibility for the learning process and to develop valuable skills in time management. As well as these benefits for learners, asynchronous project learning has advantages for teachers. Whilst the class is engaged in project work, the teacher is free to discuss progress with individual students or small groups and offer suggestions. If the teacher is providing remote online supervision of a class, it may not be sustainable for the teacher to run lessons with multiple tasks that learners are expected to complete in synchronization. It makes sense to set project assignments and allow learners to take their time to explore, formulate their ideas, and respond to challenges. Projects that span a period of days or even weeks are easier to manage in terms of workload for the teacher, especially if they are working with remote learners in an online environment. Tips for management of time during project learning. Allow learners freedom to pace themselves, but set a final deadline for project hand-in. Start with shorter projects and use these to teach time management skills. For longer projects, set a series of interim milestone checkpoints. At milestone checkpoints, ask learners to reflect on their progress and plan the next stage of their project. Discuss progress with individual learners and agree short-term targets if they are struggling to manage their time.